TAQA Group reports 2022 net income of $2.2 billion, and Qatari investors are reportedly prepping a Man United bid. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Abu Dhabi national energy company TAQA saw 2022 net income of $2.2 billion. Group revenues reached $13.6 billion, which is 10.3% higher year on year on the back of higher oil and gas prices. Adjusted EBITDA was $5.4 billion, up 6.7%. TAQA made significant investments of $1.2 billion last year relating to its Masdar acquisition. TAQA now owns a 43% stake in Masdar's renewables business and a 24% share in its green hydrogen business. Masdar will drive the group's investments in clean energy. Qatari investors are reportedly preparing to make an offer for Manchester United by the end of this week. The Qatari consortium is reportedly comprised of the Qatar Investment Authority and local family offices. New York bank Rain Group is advising Man United's owners, the U.S.-based Glazer family, who want $7.3 billion for the club. The English Premier League team has been the subject of increasing takeover speculation since the summer. So far, only British billionaire Jim Ratcliffe has declared his interest and is working with Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan on a potential offer. Emirates NBD has started taking orders for a benchmark issue of Australian dollar-denominated bonds. The lender is marketing the 10-year Australian bonds at around 200 basis points over asset swap. The bonds have an indicative yield of 6.3% and an indicative coupon of 6.25%. They'll be issued under Emirates NBD's $2.8 billion kangaroo debt issuance program. They're set to be rated A2 by Moody's and A+ by Fitch. Russian oil has been sold for more than quoted prices to Russia's trade partners, supporting it in negating the repercussions of Western sanctions. A Goldman Sachs note shows the gap between the average price paid and the quoted price has increased since last March, reaching around $25 per barrel in December. Goldman Sachs expects prices to increase gradually to $100 per barrel by December. It cites lower production from Russia and Chinese demand recovery. BYD, the world's biggest EV maker, plans to invest $1.2 billion to build a new factory for its batteries in China. FinDreams Technology, the Chinese company's battery unit, is aiming to build a facility with the capacity to produce 40 gigawatt hours per year of its Blade battery in Zhengzhou. BYD's Blade battery is a less bulky lithium iron phosphate battery that its chairman says is safer than other alternatives in the market and will not catch fire. The firm behind Binance's stablecoin says the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has told the company it should have registered the product as a security and is considering taking action against the platform. Paxos Trust Company says it disagreed with the SEC's allegations that Binance USD is a security and is prepared to vigorously litigate if necessary. The move represents one of the SEC's first actions on stablecoins. The New York Department of Financial Services has ordered Paxos to stop minting Binance USD. And the White House has responded to growing and at times feverish speculation over the shooting down of unidentified aerial objects. It says the targets could be anything from commercial craft to espionage devices. There's mounting pressure on President Biden's administration to explain the unprecedented situation that has seen an alleged Chinese spy balloon and 3 mystery objects shot down in North America in just over a week. Officials say at this point they're sure of only one thing: it's not aliens. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.